Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone else.
Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
In our workshops, we observe a lot that many people get super stressed about dealing with unexpected issues. And this is obviously something that is very common in manufacturing companies. Now, Adrian, you have worked many years in manufacturing companies. What are your insights on that?
Yeah, this is so true, Karin. Unexpected situations can happen, and the tendency of people is to catastrophize everything. But in reality, the challenge is never as bad as it looks like. Um, I believe that any minute spent talking about the situation or playing the victim role, why is this happening to me? Why do I have to deal with this situation and so on, is a minute not spent taking the necessary step that will get us closer to finding a solution to the challenge.
Now, this is a great observation, obviously based on your experience.
Right, right. Now, Karin, what are your thoughts on this topic?
My thoughts are more mindset related. I would recommend that people see something like that as a test rather than a failure. And the second thing I would suggest is focus more on the solution rather than blaming people.
Mhm.
Both of it really brings the energy low, and we want to keep the energy high when we have to deal with challenging situations. Now, this was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.